Hi, it's Hollywood Ali here at High Class Auto, and today we have a beautiful 2010 GMC Savanna all-wheel drive cargo van. This vehicle is a one-owner vehicle. It is a fleet-maintained vehicle, one owner. It has all the racks and bins, and it's ready for work. Nice shiny wheels. Cloth interior, automatic with 128,000 miles. Fleet-maintained. This vehicle has ladder rack. It has a power inverter in the rear. It's got rear barn doors, side barn doors, and it has a state-of-the-art heavy-duty power inverter. This is really nice for all the contractors that have to go to work, and all their cordless drills will always be charged on their ride to the next job. Or if you're at a job site without power, you could use this inverter to run your table saw or whatever power tool you need to without the power at a job site. So it does have a battery pack down below, fluorescent interior lights for the rear, racks, shelving unit, and it's all very, very clean. All-wheel drive. This is the last all-wheel drive I have in stock. We had two. So come by, visit us at highclassauto.com or in person at 201 Albany Turnpike in Canton, Connecticut. This certainly beats the buying a brand new one for a fraction of the new vehicle price.